In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads, without any website, and without any followers. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started, okay? As you can see over here, I made $235,150 in commission just by using these methods that I will share with you in this video, okay? This is just from free traffic, okay? It took me almost 2 years to earn this commission, and right now I'm making $10,125 per month. It's available in my balance. As you can see, this is my affiliate marketing account dashboard. As you can see, it's not a screenshot, and as you can see over here in my balance, this is my commission. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are new and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, okay, and click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission and you can make so much money with those services, okay? So just click on join now. And here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So for people who are asking why it's showing $0 in your impression and in your CTR, because when I sign up to Fiverr affiliates, they asked me here, do you have a main source of traffic? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here. If you put your website link here, Fiverr will track your impression and your CTR, okay? So for me, I don't have any website, okay? So I said no, I don't have any website. That's why Fiverr, that's why it's showing $0 in impression and in CTR. So I just want to make this clear, okay? So anyways, after you finish your sign up process, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote using YouTube. We will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links for free, okay? So how you can find and good services that you will promote on YouTube. So what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage, okay? Just go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and search for ask question. I will ask, for example, let's say how to start, for example, body, how to start body, and here you go. People are searching for how to start bodybuilding, how to start bodybuilding for men, how to start bodybuilding for women, how to start bodybuilding for beginners. So let's take this topic. Just ask any question, okay? And people and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. How to start body transformation. Let's take this topic, for example, how to start bodybuilding. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search for bodybuilding, okay? And here you go. Scroll down. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So you need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, okay? So what you will do, let's choose, for example, this one, okay?
It's power. It takes effort. It takes discipline to break you.
This one is a really, for example, this one.
That's where it takes the most effort.
this one is looking good. It's level 1 seller. He has almost 5 star. I will click on his service. So this seller on Fiverr, I will be your bodybuilding fitness instructor and diet online coach. Okay, this seller can help will help those people who are searching for how to start bodybuilding. They don't know how to start bodybuilding. So this seller will help those people. This seller can be a coach, and this seller is a really good one. It's level 1 seller. So what you will do, you will click on his service, you will copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So what you will do, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his video. Okay, double click and save this video to your laptop. Save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. You will name it, for example, body, like this. And after you do that, go back to Google, okay, and search for Canva, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, and click on upload file, and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, open, and here you go. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background. Okay, click on the video, click on volume, and just decrease the volume to 0. Okay, we don't want any background music, because this background music can get copyright on YouTube. Okay, so don't use any background music. It's just decrease the volume to 0. After you do that, click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I will use this one. Okay, click on the text style, I will delete this part. Decrease the font size of your text, put your text here, double click, and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description, like this. And here you go. Click on element and click over here on shape. Click on color, choose black color, and click on your shape and put your shape behind your text, like this. Okay, and here you go. Check link in my description. Okay, let's check. It's a really good video showing this bodybuilding person, showing his results, as you can see. And people who will watch this video and they are interested to start bodybuilding transformation, they will see this: check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and that's it. So after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you do that, go to your YouTube homepage, open your YouTube channel. It's for free. It will take just 1 minute, and copy this title: how to start bodybuilding. Use this title for your video. So if you want your video to rank in YouTube search, you need to use the same keywords that people are using to search for this topic. Okay, you don't change or add anything, just use copy and paste. Copy this title: how to start bodybuilding. So your YouTube video will rank in YouTube search, and those people who are searching for how to start bodybuilding, they will find your video. Okay, they will find your video in YouTube search result, like this. They will see this: check link in description. People who are interested to get a coach who will help those people start bodybuilding, they will check this seller on Fiverr. buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission, and that's it. Okay, I hope this is clear for you, and that this is my methods, guys. That's how I promote my Fiverr affiliate links on YouTube, and that's how I earn commission. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, check link in my YouTube description below, showing you a video that will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, and that's it.